Hey, today I'll show you how to make a Telegram account private, so that no one could see your profile or find it. Let's open Telegram. Click on those three lines in the left side of the screen, click on Settings, and then click on Privacy and Security. Here you can see settings of your privacy. Click on Phone Number and choose Nobody. Here's a question: who can find me by my phone? And there are two options: My Contacts or Everybody. If you want to make your account more private, the second option is more preferable. Then just save the settings. There is also a tab named Last Seen and Online. In fact, Telegram shows the exact time when the last time you were online, and here you have three options who you want or don't want to be aware of it. You can choose option My Contacts or Nobody to make it totally private. But that's important to mention that if you choose the second or the third option, you won't be able to see activity of other users too. Click on OK. Let's scroll down, and here we can find profile photos and videos. In this tab you should choose people who want to have access to your photos and videos. But this time we have only two options: Everybody or My Contacts. But a bit lower you can see that you can add exceptions. People who will always see your files, or the ones who are never allowed to see them. Then just click on Save. We move on to the next tab, and it's called Forwarded Messages. This is about opportunity for other users to forward your messages. And there are three options: Everybody, Nobody, or My Contacts. We are making our profile private, so we choose the third option. Let's move on to the tab Calls. And here you can adjust the settings: who can call you, everybody, nobody, or only your contacts, and you can also add exceptions. Just save it. The next one is who can add us to groups and channels. This tab looks just like the previous ones. Answering the question who can add you to group chat, you just choose between two options. And as always, you can choose exceptions. And finally, the last tab, who can send you voice messages. By default, every user can just click on microphone and say whatever he wants. But you can restrict it only if you have Telegram Premium. And there is also a function related to security of your account. I'm talking about two-step verification. Let's click on it. Then set password and come up with something. I'll type just some numbers. Then just send it and re-enter your password. Well, now you should create a hint for your password. In case you've forgotten your password, this hint may help. It might be even a part of your real password, or something that will make you remember. Okay, let's go on. The next step is the recovery mail. It will also help you to restore your account. If you forgot your password and email, you will never be able to get access to your profile anymore. But in case you remember your email, you'll get a code and your password will just reset. That really gains security of your account. But I'm not gonna do this time. Here's a warning pops up. I can just skip it. Well, I showed you what two-step verification means. And now our account is pretty much protected. Now no one is aware of our activity in Telegram, and no one can even see the picture of our profile. Thanks you guys for watching. Hit that like button and the bell to receive notifications.